Guys, check this out. It calls it dripping unicorn. Every once in a while, when you do the kind of work that we do, Ikaika and I, Ikaika's over there, the work vehicles, they get dirty. Like, take for instance, my 4x4 truck, okay? I absolutely love it. Chevy Silverado, it's a light duty 1500 lift and whatnot. But look at this, okay? So, we always look to try and upkeep our vehicles. We're car people, you know that, I know that, Ikaika knows that. But every once in a while, something changes in the technology of car washing. So we're here at Midas today. Now, Midas has the state-of-the-art car washing machine. Now, I don't know exactly the particulars, but I do know that there is a slight difference in what they normally use to wash the vehicle. So yes, it's motorized, it's got all the stuff, the whirly-birds and whatnot. However, hey, this is the cool part. Normally, it's rubber, right? The stuff, and you can hear whack, 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 whack. It sounds horrendous. It sounds like you're being attacked by like a squid or something that with tentacles and stuff like that. Really, you know, like JDM, that kind of thing, you know? Yeah, you get it. Okay, so, but this one is foam. So I'm really anxious to see how it goes. We're gonna do a quick walk around in my car, as well as Ikaika's car, and we're gonna see how dirty these vehicles are. Ikaika just washed it, kind of, sort of, but it has been raining, so our vehicles are really dirty. I've been kind of going off-roading for job sites, etc., etc. So we're gonna take a quick spin around my car, quick spin around his car, and then we're gonna go through the process. Stay tuned. Look at that. Okay, on the back, of course, it's gonna be dirty. Kind of see on this side. I think once we get to the other side, we're gonna be able to kind of see a little bit. You know, let's see. Check here. Yeah, we can see that's dirty. Bumper, of course, is dirty. Front bumper, yep, it's all dirty. So everything on this car is pretty dirty, but I'm anxious to see what it's gonna look like when everything is done. Look at that. Oh, yuck. And then here we have to thank Brother Jordan. Thank you for the invite, brother.
No problem.
I'm super excited for this. Guys, like I said, this is the state-of-the-art car washing machine here at Midas. Wow. Ikaika, what do you think is gonna happen?
I don't think I'm gonna get any scratch marks on this one. So we'll see.
Yeah, I'm pretty excited.
Silver, gold, and touch, Midas touch. There is monthly packages where it's a limited watch. I think it's $39.99 for the Midas touch.
Okay.
Unlimited watches for different records. So you can come in every day, you can come in once a week. It doesn't matter.
And your silver touch, which is going to be $29.99 a month.
Wow.
Unlimited watches for that vehicle.
So, that is sick.
They put in a thing called a fast pass.
Okay.
And they put that underneath you guys' windshield on the corner.
Okay.
So when you pull up, it detects it right there, and I think it shoots right off.
Wow, that's high tech.
Yeah.
It's like parking equipment.
Yeah. So yeah.
Yeah, take a look. This is so cool, guys. Take a look at this. Okay. So, 20, the 17, and the 13. But of course, we always go for the 20, guys. We always go for the 20. Midas touch. Number one. It's a sensor, guys. So, like George said, when you have that fast pass, it detects it. The gate goes up. So cool. Guys, check this out. 84 inches. Wow. Yeah, we gotta try not to step on this, because guaranteed, knowing me, guys, I'd slip and fall. So, guys, look at this. It says different colors. Oh, shoot. But it feels so real, guys. Look at this. Look at this material. It's so cool. Colored soap. Okay. George says that a car is coming, so better run. Don't want to die. So this is the magic ticket. This is exactly what you need, what it's going to give you when you purchase it. Midas Gold Touch, guys. All the way. Full send. All right, guys. So Mokes is going to try his luck at this. Let's check out what he's going to do. All right, Mr. Mokes, what are we doing? Ooh, hey, cool. Just like that. There he goes. Let's see. Is this thing really that dirty? Oops, sorry, that was my ticket. Yeah, it's got some dirt on it, guys. The back side. biggest differences with this car wash that makes it pretty cool and a little bit more higher end than most is not only is it a smart machine, but they also pressure wash ahead of time to get off all the easy or some of the stuff that doesn't get off as hard or easy as the other stuff. You know what I mean? You know exactly what I mean. So pressure washing makes a huge difference, especially in pre-rinsing process. We do it all the time before we detail vehicles. So, all right, guys, there he goes. The truck, we're gonna go hit it. Hopefully our truck comes out nice and clean. So we are going through. So, oh yeah, I gotta roll my window up. That'd be a good idea, isn't it? Okay, so we take our magical ticket and we shove it in here like that. And well, we're supposed to get it. There we go. Awesome. Thank you. All right, let's see what we got here. So they want us to make a giant U-turn here. Follow him. We're gonna put car into neutral. Hands off the wheel. Very cool. So now they're gonna give us the pressure washing, the pre-rinsing. Make sure all our windows are up, because that would be a bad idea. I miss. Change engine oil soon. We're gonna have to get that done, guys. You know where we're coming for that. That side. Mirror folding in on that side. Maybe not on this side. Now, folks, this vehicle is ceramic coated, so this is gonna be fun and interesting. Oh, Chris got me. That we started moving up, folks. So what's cool about this is that what they kind of told me is that it automatically adjusts for the car. So if you're a little bit crooked, it'll kind of put you back into alignment. Ooh, look at this. Not driving because I really can't see anything. Oh wow. Yeah, you really don't have that pack. Wow. can even smell the soap and the waxes, I think. It's like aromatherapy up in here. Undercarriage. So they apparently shoot your undercarriage too, guys. That's what that sign over there is saying. Oh. It put my mirror out. Yeah. So maybe that'll fix the alignment on the mirror. Okay, so yeah, right there it says undercarriage, guys. Oh, I just took that one out. Talk about automatic service.
This one's not a blowjob.
The ultimate BJ, folks. I don't know if that's gonna get flagged by YouTube, but hey. Oh, cool.
It's a rinse.
Yep, it's a rinse. Oh, you can really see that ceramic coating doing its thing over here. Water just beads and runs. Dripping unicorn. Can you imagine you say that? Like I went to a Midas car wash and they have fluid coming out. Okay, for you guys on this, that's soap, like to be serious. This looks absolutely brilliant. Looks a whole lot better than what it was. The ceramic coating definitely held up. So then they do the hand drying and they dress your tires for you. Very cool, guys. The backside is cool. Backside's all cleaned out. Alright guys, so the aftermath of this is just absolutely beautiful. Look at that sun just beating off of it. So this, I mean, the paint just feels so smooth. Oh my gosh, guys, this is wonderful. Whew. So we got to give a massive shout out to Jord, Midas Hawaii. Thank you so very much for inviting us to this opening, this trial. It is absolutely so cool, state of the art, guys. If you guys need your car washed and you really need to get it clean really quick, bring it here. Behind me, they're also going to be having mat services or vacuuming services. So the pricing is, I believe, $20 if you're not a member, $15 if you are a member. And they're going to eventually have a team out here that takes care of the vacuuming for you. So you don't have to worry about, oh, you know, $15 just to use a vacuum. No. Guys, they have a team that will vacuum your entire vehicle for you. They have a mat stand right here. Put your mat on it, suck out everything. If you have allergies and whatnot, that's gonna be super cool. But yeah, so that's my review of the new Midas state-of-the-art car washing facility. Again, massive shout out to Jord, Midas Hawaii. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please make sure to like and subscribe down below. As always, I'll see you at the next one.